It's so cold out here. It feels like 21 right now, I think. So we're about to get started on the garage. I've been deep cleaning it for the past day and a half. And yeah, we're about to start. I'm gonna do a time lapse of that process. I'm gonna start vacuuming any cobwebs up in there, and yeah. I'm not using my shop vac because my shop vac's about to burn up, I think. The motor in it don't sound right, and it's not sucking as hard as it should, so we're gonna use the inside vacuum. So let's get started. All the spider webs are vacuumed out as far as I know. I didn't do the door yet. So yeah, remaining things is I need to wipe down these baseboards. And I probably need to take a good tacky rag and just wipe it over the walls one good time, because there is some stuff on the walls I may have missed. And then I'm probably gonna start with painting the door and the trim right here first, just to try out that color. So yeah, and I also need to rip this shelf off the wall and put all that stuff somewhere and fill those holes. So yeah, I guess I need to locate where to put all that. I got all the small stuff put in that bucket right there. Throwaway stuff is down here. Those gotta go in the shed. And that stuff can go inside over there. And that is that. So I guess I'm about to fill these holes and fill any holes around the garage itself. Because, I mean, obviously I gotta fill these. So I got all the spots spackled. And just waiting on them to dry so I can start sanding them down. And then pretty much I just have to wipe these baseboards, take that tacky cloth to the wall one more time, and then I'm good to start taking stuff off and painting. All right, so we are here the next morning. I had to wait a day. It was too cold to really paint because one, it's cold as hell. And two, painting conditions aren't the best when it's super cold outside. So next morning, it's 50 degrees out here, so a little bit warmer. And I gotta wipe all these baseboards down. I'm gonna start with this wall here. This is the wall that the logo is eventually gonna go on. Start with this wall here, wipe the baseboards down, get them taped off. I really don't have to tape them off since it's gonna be all the same color, really. But I guess just to get some more even lines. And then we'll start the painting. It's all on me, so I don't know how long it's gonna take. I have about 3 hours before my wife and baby wake up, so if they stay on schedule. So yeah, let's get it started. Also need to throw in, if I do any more talking during this part of the video, because it's probably gonna be part 1, part 2, and part 3 maybe. I am under the weather, so my voice keeps going in and out. So it's cold as hell outside. I'm under the weather, and I have like 3 days left to really get a move on this. A job gives 2 weeks holiday off, and this is my last 3 days. So really try to jump on this. All right, I'm ready to start painting. I'm not going to take the time. Well, I am going to take the time, but I'm not going to take detailed time in masking off the ceiling to cut these edges and stuff, because I'm painting the ceiling the same exact color. So I'm just gonna edge this one good time, probably all the way around this wall over here too, and at the bottom, then I can start rolling. got the whole edge on the top edged. So we are good to start on the ceiling. For some reason, all my time lapse from this wall and beyond just disappeared, gone into oblivion. Can't find them. So I'm kind of upset about that, but anyways, yeah, I got one coat on all the walls. Gonna do ceiling, then I'm gonna recoat the wall again. So yeah, here's time lapse of that. Just peeled all the tape off as you've seen on the trim down here. So now I'm about to tape off the walls and stuff so I can paint the trim. Well, there you have it, guys. I did all the trim. I didn't want to throw in a bird just landed in here. Wow. Anyways, I don't want to throw in too much of the painting the trim with the time lapse there, since you've seen so much time lapse in this video already. This will be the end of part one. I think part two, I'm trying to decide, it's gonna be 3 parts. Trying to decide between the logo or doing the lighting for part two. Probably the lighting so I can see better on the wall. But yeah, don't mind the mess here. Just gotta take all the tape off. I painted all them boards around the door here. That's freshly painted, that's drying. All the way up in there. If you would like to follow along to this series, please consider going down below and absolutely smashing that subscribe button and like button. And go ahead and check out the website, www.jcscustomershop.com. Until next time, guys, peace.